There we go again. Happy New Year. January 1st. 8:42. Not bad. Trying to finish up this kitchen, get it primed, get it painted. First sand. I gotta sand it, that's always fun. Then we got a PVA primer. Then we're gonna paint it. See what we can get into. Oh, it's cold out. 35 degrees. I need a can of grizzly wintergreen pouches. You doing okay? Doing alright. Huh?
So we could always do better, right?
Yeah.
What's your birthday?
10/16/86.
638. 362, bud.
Let's go paint.
Have a good day.
You
man.
too, bud. Small town, you can leave your car started most times. Say that, then somebody take off in it. Alright, let's keep going. Alright. I'll say alright. You wanna get this sanded, cleaned up, ready for primer. Okay. Yep. Get you on a time lapse and get going. just wanted to jump in real quick. Right now, I'm using PVA primer to go over the spots that I had patched up. I'm decided to do the whole wall, basically, because there's a lot of touch-up work. And this video is a little bit shorter, only around 7 minutes because priming and I didn't have anything else to do that day. But I'm gonna say thank you for tuning in. Appreciate it. Any subscribers, all the likes, any likes. I just appreciate anything. And hope y'all have a blessed day. And see you on the next one.